welcome back to our channel. I'm that arty mum, Danielle, and here we create and share art-inspired ideas and activities to do with children. Today we're going to learn how to draw a realistic bee. So let's get started.
To draw our bee, we're going to start by drawing two ovals stacked on top of one another for the head and thorax. Then we'll draw a large oval underneath for the body. Next, we're going to add a little dome to the top of the head and then add two wee little circles either side for the eyes. Now we're going to add some fuzzy edges to the head and then a fuzzy line through the centre of the head parallel to the top of the head, and then mirror that line below to create a new fuzzy edged oval. Next, we're going to draw the wings coming from the point where our first two original ovals meet each other. Swoop two arches away from the body and curve them back in on each end. Then add another curve on the bottom of each wing before meeting back in the middle. Now we're going to continue adding the fuzzy edges to the rest of the bee, starting with the thorax, and then when it comes time to the body, add two fuzzy stripes towards the top and then taper the bottom to a point. Next, we're going to draw in the legs. First, draw a skinny teardrop shape coming away from the bee on each side where the thorax meets the body. Then repeat the step just below and above each wing on both sides. Now we're going to add two more sections to each leg and then adding a wee little oval on the end for the feet. While we're up here, let's add in the antenna. Repeat the same steps as above for the middle set of legs. When it comes to the bottom set of legs, we're going to draw much larger ovals for the next section of the leg, as well as adding a flick inwards on each side at the bottom. Then add the last joint before drawing in the feet. Now it's time to add in the pattern to the wing. You can either copy the design here, or you could look up the wing pattern of your favourite species of bee, or make up your own pattern. Now that our bee is all sketched out, it's time to go back in with a marker. At this stage, you could also pull out some coloured pencils or watercolour to shade in your bee. Today I'm just using an ink pen and using a hatching technique to shade in the darker stripes on the bee. And there you have it, how to draw a bee. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, we'd love for you to like and hit that subscribe button below.
Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye for now.